Hello guys, I'm Paris the Option Guy and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, Bank Nifty and Nifty both pretty much being downtrending for the rest of the day. I was expecting a downtrend, but what I was expecting is that Bank Nifty would take some sort of support near 40,200 and 40,100. But if you see, Bank Nifty did not take any sort of support and just continued to move down throughout the day till 39,900 on the downside, right? So as and first of all, if you see, yesterday I had said that if we open with a gap down and if you get any sort of a trade near 40,500 to 550, you can go ahead and take that trade, because then we can again expect a downtrend, right? And if you would have taken this trade at 40,500, right, if you would have taken the a short trade at 40,500, you could have easily gotten a trade till 40,200, right, which I had said would be the target. But yeah, you could have easily gotten 40,000 300 points, like just one green candle, and that too not a big one, right? So it would have been such an easy trade tomorrow, sorry, today, right? So anyways, what can we expect for tomorrow is very simple, right? First of all, let's talk about the daily charts and see exactly what are the points that we can see over here. What are the points that we can infer? If we see, Bank Nifty is continuously getting sold off, right? From here, one, two, three, four, five red candles are being made, and now Bank Nifty is near some sort of a swing low, right? So from here, first of all, you need to understand that there are a lot of short positions in the market, right? There are a lot of short open positions in the market that needs to be covered over here, right? Because there are a lot of people who would have created short positions on this day, this day, this day. Anybody who would have created short positions, even today, if somebody would have created at the open, they will be seeing very good profits, right? So now they are now short sellers, now they are in good profits, right? So there is a chance of profit booking over here, right? Because at the end of the day, people also have to book a profit, right? And tomorrow is the monthly expiry. So a lot of people would also want to probably, take their positions to the next month. So they will need to book a profit in this. So if you say, if someone will have shorted the future, right? And they want to take the futures to, they want to continue their short position in the next month, right? So they would want to book their positions in this month's contracts and buy and sell the next month's contract, right? So they definitely will need to book a profit, right? So from here, there is a very good chance that we could see a very good profit booking happening, right? But where exactly can we see a profit booking, right? For that, if we go into 15 minutes, and I'm going to show exactly what could happen, right? So if you see, first of all, let's talk about the supports that you can see on the downside, right? On the downside, this is a very good support, 39,800 and 39,700 to 600. All these levels are very good support zones, right? So tomorrow, if we open with a gap down itself, right, what will happen is that, first of all, if you would be a seller, right, if you would be a seller, you would already be seeing very good profits, right? Anybody who would have sold over here, and now if you're opening straight up with a gap down, we could see very good profits, right? So tomorrow, so if tomorrow we open somewhere near 39,800 or 39,700, all these levels, even 39,850, you need to wait for a 15-minute breakout, right, over here. If say the first 15-minute candle is made over here, if it's a bullish candle and the next candle goes in and breaks the high of that candle, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade from it, because then what could happen is that, there could be continuous profit booking throughout the day. And probably, say if you get a trade near 39,900, 950, all these levels, what could happen is that Bank Nifty could spend some time over here and then again break out in the, probably after 5 to 6 candles, right? Wait some time over here and then break out on the upside, right? So if we open the gap down and the first candle is a good green candle and the next candle goes ahead and breaks the high of that candle, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. What you guys can do is that you guys can go ahead and short the P of 39,800, 39,700, 39,600, all these levels. But I wouldn't recommend 39,600, because the risk to reward that you will get would be not that good. Okay, so yeah, 39,700, 39,800, all these fees you can short. If we if I said what I said would happen, right? If that happens, you guys can go ahead and short these P and hold it, right? So even if Bank Nifty doesn't move and stays over here, you at least get the benefit of theta DK. So even if say Bank Nifty reverses from here, your losses are very less, or probably you could even exit in profit, right? If the theta DK, I mean, if we stay over here for a long time, right? Anyways, that is one thing. But what if we open, with open flat, right? So very simple, do not fight the trend, right? If we are opening flat, let's open flat and just go with the trend. But what I need you to do is keep small targets over here, right? Because already a lot of trend has already gone in this market. So do not expect that tomorrow also we will fall 500, 400 points, right? There is a need to go, there is a need for profit booking, after which maybe we can go ahead and fall more, right? So tomorrow below 39,900 is where you can short, but keep a very tight stop loss over here, and go and keep small targets, probably just 100 point target in 30 of 39,800. So you can probably buy the 39,800 P at the open and keep a small target of 39,800 only, right? Because do not keep big points, big targets, because a short covering could happen anytime near these levels, because this is where the swing low is. So a lot of people would want to book their profits over here, right? On the upside, if we open with a gap up, right, then there could be two things, right? First of all, sellers get a chance to sell, and buyers get a chance, buyers get some hope to buy, right? So what could happen if we open with a gap up is that we could probably spend a day over here. That's one thing, right? But what am expecting is that we could open with a gap up and come, and if we come down somewhere near till 40,150 to 40,200 over here, then you guys can go ahead and take bullish position. Because from here, what will happen is that if you would have been a seller, right, now we are opening with a gap up, you are seeing less profit than yesterday, right? So what you would want to do over here is that you will be like, okay, let me look for a dip. Once we get a dip over here, I'll go ahead and book my profits, right? So if we come down over here somewhere near 40,200 to 40,150, then you guys can go ahead and take bullish positions over here. Wait for at least one bullish candle to be made, right? Something like this, or if something like this is made over here, then once the high of that candle is broken, then go ahead and take a trade over here. Then you can probably hold, you can short 40,100 or 40,000 P over here and hold it for the rest of the day while keeping the stop loss at the low of the candle, right? Anyways, that was for Bank Nifty, right? Now, what about Nifty? Nifty, if you see, same thing. Nifty actually being more bearish than Bank Nifty, right? Nifty did not even get back to yesterday's low as compared to Bank Nifty, right? So very simple. In Nifty also, we will go with the trend, but the thing is that Nifty is very close to 17,500, right? Now 17,500 is a round level, so it will act as a support. So over here, I would not recommend you guys to sell, because there are a good amount of resistance supports on the downside. So yeah, over here, I would not recommend you guys to sell. But if we say open with a gap down, very simple, same as Bank Nifty. If we get a good green candle in the first candle is very green, and once we break out above the high of that candle, you guys can then go ahead and take a trade. Then we could probably see something like some uptrending day tomorrow itself, right? On the upside, as I said, very simple. If we say open somewhere near 680 or 700 or 750, all these levels, wait for a pullback till at least 620 to 640, all these levels, right? Once we get till at least over here, and then we make a good green candle over here, then go ahead and take a trade. But as I said, wait for a very solid candle, right? Because at over here, 17,600 looks like a very good buying zone, but probably what could happen is that we come near 17,600 to 620, and then we reverse from here itself, right? So wait for a good solid candle, and look out for candles something like this, right? Something like big green candle like this, or a solid candle which closes near the high of the candle itself, right? So then you can go ahead and take a trade in Nifty, right? Anyways, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Tomorrow could be a little bit volatile. since tomorrow is a monthly expiry, right? And monthly expiry sometimes tend to be a little volatile. So tomorrow could be volatile. So yeah, do keep, if you are not confident enough, do keep your quantity low and trade. It's all right. You market is gonna come tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So you do not need to worry about, a trend being missed or something. You guys can, there will be trends every day in the market, right? Every month in the market. So do not worry about it. And yeah, thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.